I'm going to be changing the kidney grills on my E53 X5. Alright, so changing the kidney grills out on an E53 is actually pretty simple by comparison to some models, right? So these are, again, you have all these little plastic tabs that you work your way around and just slowly work them out because they hang on to some metal flanges. There you go, and as you can see, it starts to work its way out. So you just slowly work your way around the perimeter to get all these tabs out, and then it'll come right out. Alright, as you can see, both are out now. I'm just going to take a rag, clean up a little bit around some of the edges. There's some of the places where you have like wax residue and some of the other stuff that's not as easy to get to. And the other thing is that if your kidney grills are rattling, they can also rub a little bit. And I can see some places where, because of them vibrating, they've actually rubbed a little. But it's going to be covered by the kidney grill, so that's going to be okay. All right, so just take the new one and just rock it right back into place. Now, the biggest thing in doing this is just being gentle with these same clips as you go. There you go. Now, that is completely solid and doesn't move at all. So that's fantastic. All right, I really like it, and change away from the chrome accent as well to the black accent, which I feel matches the bumper a little bit better. But all in all, makes quite a bit of difference. So change for looks, yeah, aesthetics, sure, but also to cut down on the vibration to make sure that they stop moving around. So that's all a good thing. It really is that simple. All right, all done.